Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add products with the matching column by specifying the Product Identifier field. On the matching column of the feed, SKU is the default as the Product Identifier, as this field is unique for each product. You can also choose any of the other options. For example, the SKU plus option 1 is used when the SKU in the store having same SKU for every variant and can use the two values that are separate in the feed file. You will need to match both columns to the field. For the Product Identifier Smart settings, you can remove any prefix or postfix that's attached to the SKU in the store. For example, if the SKU in the store ABC1234 but the value in the feed is 1234. Enter the ABC in the store prefix to match with the value in feed. It's only available in update and export feed. You can do the same if the value in feed have extra character than the value in store. For example, if the SKU in feed is ABC1234END and the SKU in store is just 1234. Simply enter ABC as the prefix and END as the postfix. The product key separator can be specified in the settings. In this case, the separator is dash. Next is the case-sensitive option. Turn on this option if the same SKU is used for different products with different casing. For example, the SKU ABC123 will become like this when enabled. Lastly, update duplicate products with the same product identifier. By default, Stock Sync only find the first match and ignore the duplicate. By enabling this option, Stock Sync will update all product with the same identifier. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.